Hello and welcome to my channel. It's a horrible rainy day in South Florida, so here I am at my favorite meat market, Wild Fork Foods. I love this place. I did a video about a year ago, so let's see what's changed from last year. I noticed one thing they're selling now Fogo charcoal, and they've got some, I'm going to get one of these Fogo natural fire starters. That looks cool. I'll get some of that. I'm in the market for a ribeye. I want to get a tomahawk ribeye today, but there's so much good stuff here. I got to show you what all they have. Wait a minute, I think I just found my ribeye. That quick. Beef tomahawk ribeye, USDA choice. That looks good to me. That looks excellent. I think I'm going to get that. I got to check the price on that. Wow. That was quick. Hardly had to look. They've got so much great meat here. They've got grass-fed, look at this, uncured bison dogs. How could you beat that? Uncured bison dogs. Wow, grilling cheese. I've never even heard of grilling cheese. I should get some of that. Definitely. Brioche buns, they've got bread, ribeye steaks. They've got it all. They've even got chicken breast, chicken nuggets, salmon. Oh wow, this place is amazing. Here's those, they've got this Berkshire pork. This is the aged Berkshire pork chops that I had in my last video. They were awesome, I'll tell you what, I gotta tell you. Berkshire pork is like the Wagyu of pork, where Wagyu, oh speaking of Wagyu, they've got a whole case of Wagyu meats over here. Let's go look at that. We've got plenty of ribs for the holiday coming up, 4th of July. Let's go check out the Wagyu beef. They've got burgers packaged up. I don't want to mess with them. Oh man, check this out. A Wagyu beef brisket. I hate to see the price of that thing. That's got to be expensive. They got a flat cut Wagyu beef. No, that's just aged Black Angus. This is a boneless brisket. I can't tell the price. $8.28 a pound. That's expensive. They got Wagyu. They have Wagyu tomahawk steaks too, but they're out of my price range. I'm going to check the price on this one I got. They got this handy machine here that you can check the barcode with. Let's see if we can get that done. Yeah, $35.74. You can't really beat that. 35 bucks for that awesome ribeye. I want to take you over here to the case where the exotic meats are, because that's the coolest thing in this place. That would be this case right here. Exotics. Check this out. Ground elk. I have never had ground elk. What is that? I can't tell. We've got, of course, bison. Ground venison. That's hard to find. What is that? I can't tell. Ostrich. I've never tried ostrich. Someday I gotta try ostrich. That's yak. I've had yak. Here's the ostrich. Ground ostrich. Of course, alligator tenderloins. That's on my list of things to do. And where else can you get a bison ribeye? Only at Wild Fork Foods. This place is great. It's amazing. And in addition to the charcoal, they've got all kinds of sausages. The place is awesome. Of course, chicken sausage. Why would I mess with that? Blood sausage. I've never had that. I don't care for it. They've got seafood and fish. Plenty of salmon. And I see they've got a whole line of rubs and spices. And I'm thinking, if they have some Montreal steak seasoning, that might be good on my butcher salt and pepper. That looks good. Some Montreal steak for my ribeye, my tomahawk ribeye. Asian rub, lemon pepper, blackened seasoning. That'd be great. Chimichurri in a jar. Italian seasoning. I don't see Montreal steak, but I'm sure they've got it. They've got it going on here. Like I said, they got the Fogo charcoal, and I've got the Fogo fire starters and my awesome ribeye that I'm going to cook on the rotisserie. Anyway, yeah, That's Wild Fork Foods. If you're anywhere near Oakland Park Boulevard, you definitely want to check this place out. It's awesome. Okay, bye.